Dear friends, welcome to the Mechanical Workshop Practical C Welding Joints. Let's introduce the welding process. Welding is a process of joining two similar or dissimilar metals by fusion. It joins different metals or alloys with or without the application of pressure and filler metal. The heat necessary may be generated either by combustion of gases, electrical arc, electric resistance, or by chemical reactions. Welding provides a permanent joint. Applications of weldings are fabrication of ships, pressure vessels, automobile bodies, offshore platform, bridges, welded pipes, etc. Now let's see the chart of classification for various types of welding process. So welding process can be classified in two types: pressure welding with or without filler metal and non-pressure welding with or without filler metal. Now the non-pressure welding is further classified into three types, that is gas welding, electric arc welding and unshielded arc. Now the gas welding are classified into oxyacetylene gas, oxyhydrogen or oxybenzene gas. Electric arc can be shielded arc, that is gas shielded or flux shielded. The gas shielded arc welding can be classified as atomic hydrogen arc gas welding, argon gas welding, tungsten inert gas welding, TIG welding, metal inert gas welding, that is MIG welding, and plasma arc welding. The flux shielded welding is classified as electroslug and electro gas. Now the pressure welding is further classified into three types according to the heat produced, that is blacksmith fire, electric current and chemical reaction. Chemical reaction welding is also known as thermit welding, and electric current welding can be classified as spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, butt welding and percussion welding. Electric welding can also be classified by the special methods called diffusion welding, ultrasonic welding, electronic beam welding and explosive welding. Blacksmith fire are further classified into four types: lap, butt, V welding and T welding. So in this chart we have seen the various types of classification of welding process. Now let's see the various elements of welding process. The elements of welding process used with common welding joints such as base metal, fusion joint, weld face, root face, root opening and roots. These all are the terminologies used for welding process. So this is the base metal, this is the root face, this is the weld face and this is the zone for fusion, and here we can see the root, fusion zone and other terminologies in this figure. Now let's see the type of welding joints. The welding joints may be the lap weld joint, butt weld joint, and butt weld can be further classified single V butt joint and double V butt joint. So here we can see this is the butt welding, lap welding, corner welding, edge welding and T welding. Here we have done the edge preparation. So generally that is the single V butt weld used for plates up to 15.8 mm thick, while the double V butt joint is used for plate thickness over 13 mm thick. The angle of the V depends upon the techniques being used, the plate being spaced according. See here there is a space provided and it is generally 3.2 mm. Depend upon the type of joint we provide different types of edge preparation and angles to the ends of the joints. Now let us see the various welding positions. There are four types of welding positions which are given as flat or down end position, horizontal position, vertical position and overhead position. Arc welding process, the process in which an electric arc between an electrode and workpiece or between the two electrodes is utilized to weld base metal is called an arc welding process. Here in this figure we can see the basic diagram of the arc welding process, in which here we are using a step down transformer from AC to DC power supply, and here we have electrode cable, electrode holder and electrode. This may be flux coated or belt. Here this is the direction of the travel for weld. Here it is an arc generated and here the filler rod metal is given. Here we have shown the solidified weld metal and the workpiece is connected with the earth. And now here the molten weld metal is also shown. So this is the basic diagram for arc welding process. Now let's see the various tools and equipments used for arc welding process. This is the list of various tools used for arc welding process. Setup. Next, secondary terminal, welding transformer, current reading scale, current regulating hand wheel, leather apron for protection of body, asbestos hand gloves, protection of hand, protective glass straps, electrode holder for holding this electrode or filler rod, hand glass shield for protecting eyes and mouth, channel for cables, and welding cables, chipping hammer after welding to remove the slug, wire brush for cleaning purpose, earth clamps for connecting with the work with negative, and welding table, metallic, and our job. Now let's see the various for arc welding. First of all, the body or the frame of the welding machine shall be efficiently earthed. This is the checklist that we can check that if anything is left, we have to use this checklist so as to save ourselves. Wear all protective clothing such as gloves, aprons, shoes, helmets, glass shield, etc. to protect eyes, skin and whole body from the ultraviolet radiation and heat generated during the welding process. Welding equipment shall be inspected periodically and maintained in a safe working order at all times. Now let's see the procedure for lap, butt and corner joint. First of all, the given MS plates or pieces are thoroughly cleaned out of rust and scale. For butt joint, one edge of each piece is chamfered to an angle of 45 degrees, leaving nearly 1/4 of the flat thickness at the one end. The electrode is fitted in the electrode holder and the welding current is to be set to a proper value. Then follow all the safety norms as given earlier. Set the proper angle of the rod for better penetration of the weld pool during the welding process. Remove the slug or scale generated from the weld bead by using the chipping hammer manually. If necessary, you can perform second running of the welding process if you find any defects in the welding process. Now, working drawings of lap joint, butt joint and corner joint. In this first drawing, we can see the two plates are overlapped with each other. The overall dimensions are also given, that how the plate is positioned. This is the length and width of the workpiece. In the butt joint, we have done the edge preparation as 90 degree included angle, and here we have shown the detail of this portion. And third one is the corner joint. Corner joint is made at 90 degree to each other, and we have to join the plate shown in this figure. Now let's see the actual performance of joining this plate in the next sessions. That's all for this session. Have a nice day.